Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Radiosilentplay.com. I am your moderator for today, Saturday, February 22nd, 2014. First off, let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or option. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, let's start off with the spiders, the S&P 500. Last week, okay, we mentioned the level 184.95. Okay, I told traders to watch the 184.70 to 180.85 level for a market top. Okay, if you look back in December, okay, we had that holiday rally and it never broke that level. We then tested this level back in January, and now February we're testing it again. Okay, this level has not breached nor has it closed above. Okay, and we saw that big drop, early February, and it held, okay, the master support. So what you're seeing the markets do is you're seeing the S&P hold that 173.71 level. I talked about that 177.50 level. Okay, that's that major support. Okay, so what we're looking at right now is for this market to either top or close above this area. Last week was a shortened week, so just bear that in mind. Okay, most of us took a position in either the SDS calls or the SPY for a scalp opportunity, and that those levels were given out to RSP premium members. Again, if you want those levels, just join www.radiosilentplay.com. okay, and you'll get all that information via email. You'll get those timely alerts. Okay, so what we're looking at into next week is that 184 level. What I'm seeing now is we could see a potential drop and retest of that 181.29 level, and then retest that 177.50. Okay, a close below 177.50. If it breaks below 177.10, we likely will test this 173.71 level. Okay, so just watch your levels. Okay, if the markets pull back, you may see a rally, okay, and maybe another test of that 184 level. But ultimately, I feel that this spring, okay, spring starts, you will see markets taking a bit of a hit. I don't know if traders know, but there's global instability right now. We have issues with Ukraine, okay, Ukraine instability, and also we're seeing problems down in South America with Venezuela and also Argentina dollar. So right now there's issues with currency. Markets tend to gravitate towards that bad news. So if there are issues overseas, the markets may garner some weakness. Okay, I also talked about last week was the Qs. Okay, it's holding a trend. This is actually the weekly chart. Okay, it actually did test that 90 to 91 level. Traders that added in the 90-91 could have actually bought the QID, which is the ultra short for the Qs. Okay, that level that we're looking at is that 87.50 to 85 level. Okay, for a bounce. Okay, so watch these levels. Primarily you have strength in the Nasdaqs, and this is the Nasdaq 100. So any area where you can profit, make sure you lock profits. Okay, ultimately if this goes up to 92, 93, it may break out of this channel, but what we're looking at is that 90 to 92 area for a possible entry in the QID or the Q puts. Okay, so watch that level. The barometer, I always say, is the IWM. Okay, the IWM right now bounced well off these levels at the 108. If you look before, you had higher lows, and now what you did was you put in a lower low, yet it bounced, and now you may see this 117, okay, level. If you get up to this 117.10, 117 anything level, you may be able to buy the TZA, okay, the TZA, or you will be able to grab some puts up there. Ultimately, again, I'm saying that the markets have signs of weakness. Okay, don't follow the hype of what CNBC is telling you. Okay, these are master resistance levels, and we are always going to give our members those master resistance levels, so it gives you an opportunity to garner a position. JPM, I always talk about JPM being another barometer, right? This is the big banks. JPM is the Bank of America. So if you look at this, you have a bearish candle over here, a big drop. So this is a bearish signal. Any moves back to this 58, 90, or 59 level, I think is a shorting opportunity. All right. If you see this, okay, this one right here is bigger than this close, and now what you're doing is you're consolidating. So this is a bit of a bear flag signal here. So just watch the levels on JPM. Okay, if JPM takes any little move up to the 58, 58, 90 level, I feel that that's a good shorting opportunity. You have opportunity to grab puts. Okay, let's take a look at gold. What gold did. We talked about that W formation, giving members opportunity to add as low as the 118 level. Okay, we're over here consolidating. All right, but this may have a pullback. Any pullbacks down to 123 is going to be a good entry. Okay, for a bounce. So watch any pullbacks. If you start seeing gold pull back anywhere from 123.30 to 124, could be an accumulation area for you guys to add calls. Okay, I also talked about some micro caps and some gold stocks in our long hedge. Okay, it gave plenty of opportunity to garner a position in mining stocks. So I believe that's going to be the next trend for people who trade the OTC markets or mid caps and small caps. All right, let's take a look at silver. Same thing. Okay, you may have a pullback down to the 20 moving average of 1979. Okay, that's a good re-entry, and I still feel that this will hit this gap fill up here. Okay, so that's a level. Now we're going to talk about some stocks that I actually send out to members. Okay, we send out Yahoo. Okay, 38, 39 level, and if you see this, okay, so that was the top. Now what you're looking at is you're looking for a close below 37.04. Then we may hit our target. Okay, that setup is again on Radiosilentplay.com website, and right now if you add in anywhere from 38, 39, you're looking good right now. Okay, and these are the setups that we give you. All right, let me just look at the next one. PRGO, another stock that actually was posted on Thursday and Friday, gave opportunity to add anywhere between 160 to 161. Okay, that closed at 159.06. It could pull back here to that 154, 153 level. So if it does, ensure to lock profits. Okay, the main objective, okay, is to garner a position, lock profits, and then move your stops to break even. Okay, I will have options tutorial for those that don't understand options, and also I'm gonna take a look at also the website so I can show traders what RSP and how RSP strategy works. Okay, so that's about it. That's the weekly overview for what the stocks have done for the week ending on February 19th, 2014, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.